What's up, ninjas? YouTube, Rumble, wherever you see this at. Today, we're doing a little quick video on seeding. So today we're doing mesclun gourmet greens. There you go. And then down here, tells you all your information. You need a 12-inch or larger container. We're going to be doing it in beds. 10 to 14 days of germination. Days to harvest 45. 1/8 inch deep. 2-inch row spacing with 0.5 to 1 inch plant spacing. So roughly the width of this, and when you fold it over, it'll make 2 inches. So all I did was take this little piece that I had left over, wrote what I'm doing on it, so don't forget. 2-inch row space, 1-inch plant space, and then you go here, put this on your soil. If you have raised beds, it's a lot easier. You just take your finger, stick it down in there, poke holes in the dirt, and then there's your spacing for your plants. So each one plant can go here, plant here, so on and so forth. Any questions? And this is going to be in a row cover raised bed, so it's not gonna have to worry about frost as much. Of course, we don't have frost for the next couple weeks, but this takes 45 days to pop up. So also with this, if you want to harvest continuously, you want to plant every 22.5 days, so every 2 weeks. So starting from here, from today, we're at 7.5 weeks. No, hold on, I will check my little guide up here. 6 weeks. We're roughly at around 6 weeks to planting. We can plant outside. So in 4 weeks, we'll plant another couple rows of this so we can continue harvest. And then 2 weeks from that, we'll plant another one, so that we'll have succession planting as well as continued harvest. And this one has some pretty good stuff in it. It's got red kale, endive, red and green romaine, salad bowl, la rosa, and arugula. I have another one that has red oak leaf and green oak leaf, which is another great lettuce. I'm also going to plant some spinach and some radicchinos and some sugar snap peas. So I got a different board for each one, but I just thought I'd show you real quick. Unless you have a yardstick, I don't know if those are available anywhere anymore, but you can also use a yardstick and write on it if you want. Also, now's the time to get your bare root plants. Those can go in the ground now. Go ahead, once you get them, sit them outside under a covered porch or something for a couple days, and let them get used to the outside, because they've been inside of a temperature controlled building probably. Orscheln or any of your farm fleet stores have those right now. These are $7.99, but Orscheln has them on sale for $5.99 or $5.09 through the Wednesday of next week, I believe. So that's 2021, March 9th, I think today's date, or 10th. But these were $7.99. I did get some $5.99 ones, but Orscheln does not have the same offerings. They have different stuff. So the Nankang cherries, my wife and kids like, so got those from there. So anyways, we're doing spinach, peas, and I got these at the dollar store, the actual Dollar General store. $1 for 4, so you can get those now. Walmart does not have the 4 for 20 or 20-cent pieces, so these are a quarter. And I believe this one, yeah, $3.74 from the local Wally World. So anyways, guys and gals, just thought I'd let you know about 6.5 weeks is what it is out. So get your planting done. Get started becoming more self-sufficient, or at least eating better. You don't have to buy this, pay anybody to deliver it, and put it in a raised bed anywhere. So, thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, moans, complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm Irish USMC Vet. Godspeed, Semper Fi. Leave a question down there, and I'll get back to you if you have any questions. Alright, guys and gals, have a great day.